Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to reset password in Credit Karma. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Credit Karma app. So once you open your Credit Karma app, all you need to do is simply tap on the sign in button. After doing this, you will end up in this page where you need to tap on try another way. So once you tap on try another way, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply type in your email address. So once you type in your email address, you need to hit the continue button and you will get the prompts as email in your mailing address, which will help you change your password in Credit Karma. In this way, you can reset it easily. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.